What's going on YouTube, Facebook? This is Mike with Trushine Cleaning. Today is September the 1st. I actually took some time off. My last day I worked was was August the 25th. So I'm back at work today. It's about 9 a.m. in the morning. Here at a repeat client home. The first time I came out to this customer's home, I did carpet as well. And then I want to say in July, me and my nephew came out here. And we pressure washed certain areas of her home. So yeah. Hey, Mr. Fisher. Oh, just wanted to let her know if she hear me talking. I'm talking to the camera, but I think she's in her office working. So this is when I came out the first time. I did this room, and this little living room area. But this time I'm only here to treat this area and this room. So carpets it's not bad. It does have a lot of debris in it, so I am going to get a good vacuum video for you guys. It does have a lot of loose debris, so I know you guys on YouTube, especially YouTube, you guys really love those vacuuming videos, so I'm going to keep them coming to you guys. So go ahead and get started. I actually have to empty out my vacuum, so let me empty this out, and I'm going to show you guys a good vacuum for both rooms. Alright, you guys, got this all emptied out, as you can see. I do a lot of vacuuming, guys, so it does get pretty dirty. So I'm gonna do the small room first. Alright, you guys. Now can you see how much debris is lifted up out of this carpet? Oh. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. And that's just this room and this room. So guys, when I do have carpet that comes out like that, I do thoroughly I go over it again. So alright, you guys, so you see this room and this room, and please keep in mind, I haven't went around the borders or anything yet. Haven't went around no borders or nothing. But as you guys can see, this is how much dirt came out. Those two rooms. And as I stated, when I do get carpet that's in this condition, I do go over it again with another vacuum just to pull up as much loose debris as I can. So, as you guys can see, that's how much dirt came out this one room, out these two rooms. So, I'm gonna vacuum again. I'm not gonna record, but I'll show you guys how much come out that time. So, stay tuned. All right, you guys, so vacuum this floor for the second time. I went around all the borders and all the rooms, all the border lines, everything. So, about to get ready to pre-spray now. As you guys seen, that's how much dirt was in the first dump. So I'll show you guys how much dirt is in this one. It's not as much, but some still came up. As you can see, it is some dirt. See that at the bottom. So, but alright, you guys, about to get ready to start pre-spraying this carpet. Like I say, the physical condition of it, as how it looks, does not look bad at all. But not sure if you guys can see, but on camera, it does have some urine spots that I'm going to be treating. So I'm going to treat this room for pet treatment, and I'm just going to clean that room, just regular how I clean them. So everything should come out great. So this will be the first time I actually clean this room. This will be the second time I clean this one. And if I'm not mistaken, the last time I actually was here, I think I had to vacuum this room twice, but not really sure. But show you guys some of the results. Thanks for watching.